welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all this makeup look only using 5 products. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. So the first product I'm using is this NY Base Foundation Stick. If you're looking for a budget-friendly foundation stick, I would definitely recommend you all to buy this. I'm going to take a foundation brush and blend everything out. With this foundation, I don't feel like setting up my makeup with a compact, so I'm skipping that part and I'm directly going on my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm using Maybelline's Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. This is a very nice eyebrow pencil. You don't need to put any efforts. Also, this eyebrow pencil is not supremely pigmented, so it gives you the perfect amount of color. Now for lining my eyes, I'm using Lakme's Insta Liner Water Resistant Eyeliner. This is a very basic eyeliner. I just love using this eyeliner for my daily use. Just taking it. So I'm just going to go very close to my lash line. I like my eyeliner to be a bit broader. So the fourth product I'm using over here is a mascara. And I'm using a Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara. This is a very good mascara. It gives you the perfect length. It gives you the perfect volume. Lastly, I'm using a lipstick, and this is by Gala of London, and I really love this shade. This is in the shade 114, and this is a nice pink color. So I'm just going to take a little bit on this brush and apply it. And I'm just going to blend it with my fingers. And again, I'm going to take some on my brush. I'm going to put the front and the back both. And I'm going to apply it on both of my eyes. This is the look I've created just using 5 products. What do you think about this look? Let me know in the comment sections below. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.